Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Pineapple Trainwreck. We're going to start with 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Don't come at me. I did 2 because I have a Japanese style bitter. Bottle.
Bottle. Yeah, you always forget to say bottle.
1 dash of Peychaud's bitters. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. An ounce and a half of not fresh squeezed pineapple juice. I ain't got time for that, people. 0.75 ounces of ginger syrup. Half an ounce of the fly.
Oh.
It's
He's drunk.
He's drunk on my Overproof Rum. Half an ounce of Overproof Rum. And then 1 ounce of Aged Dark Rum. Can't believe that fly just did that. How rude.
Right?
It's just disrespectful.
That's for people only.
All right, we're going to add ice to our shaker tin, and we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand.
It was screaming, no, no.
I can't with you.
I don't want it.
Anywho, we're going to add a BFC to our rocks glass, and then we are going to double strain. And then for our garnish, we are going to add an Amarena cherry, just kind of sit it right there on the rim. Ideally, I'd like to have a pineapple frond to put in it too. Pineapples are out of season.
They're out of state.
They're out of state and out of season. Anyway, but there we have our Pineapple Trainwreck. Of course, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate the cocktail. 1, I would have 1 cocktail, move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we land today. Let's get the deadly skewer out of the way.
That's fair.
Shoo, sir. Does taste. It smells very tropical.
Starting cocktails up in here.
Interesting. So I do taste the pineapple, but you're getting like a little bit of spice from that ginger syrup, which is honestly kind of throwing me off a little bit. Like, it's good, but it's just not something you normally expect from like a tropical drink. But
Oh, that's kind of neat.
it's very neat. It's very unique. It has a lot of depth to it. It's not your typical just pineapple cocktail. It's got a lot of dimension to it with that spice. You got a little bit of the bitter coming from the Peychauds and the Angostura. This is a really unique cocktail for sure.
Usually you hear pineapple, it's like, oh, it's super sweet and tropical.
Exactly.
It's not that at all.
No, like it does give tropical vibes, but it's not like sickly sweet tiki nonsense, I guess is the best way for me to explain it. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I think this is a really solid cocktail.
I would go 5.
Yeah, well, this ain't your channel. Maybe start one. Start one and then we'll talk. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Cameraman says 5 out of 5. Anyway, I want to know what you guys think. So ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this cocktail, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.